Hi, I'm Daisy. Do open houses actually sell homes? Who do they really benefit? And what's really happening when your agent insists on doing one? A lot of agents love to promise open houses, sometimes every weekend until the house is sold. It sounds proactive. It sounds like marketing, and sellers naturally assume it helps. But here's what most people aren't told. Historically, open houses account for a very small percentage of actual home purchases. They rarely produce the buyer who ends buying the home. That's not my opinion. That's from data collected annually by NAR. So if they don't usually sell the home, why are they so popular? Because open houses primarily benefit the agent. An open house is a great way to pick up future clients. That's not wrong. But it's important to be honest about whose interests are being served. Open houses come from an older generation of real estate, before online listings, before professional photography, before buyers could tour homes digitally at any hour of the day. Today, buyers who are serious schedule private showings. They don't wait for Sunday between 1 and 4 p.m. So who actually shows up to open houses? There are 4 groups. First, neighbors and looky-loos, people driving by, people curious about the house down the street. They enjoy looking, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if they were serious buyers, they'd book a private showing. Second, other agents, especially newer agents learning the market. Your home is part of our inventory. It's educational for them. It doesn't mean they have a client for your home. If they did, they'd most likely book a private showing. Third, future buyers. These are people who may buy someday, not today. They're figuring out neighborhoods, price ranges, what their money might buy down the road. They're usually months away from being ready. Agents love to meet these folks. And fourth, unvetted foot traffic. People with no appointment, no verification, no accountability. Most people are harmless. But real estate is about risk management, not best-case scenarios. Open houses mean giving strangers access to your personal space and your personal belongings while attention is divided. Private showings allow controlled access. We know who's coming in, why they're there, and whether they're actually capable of buying. That protects your privacy, your belongings, and your peace of mind. There's also a safety issue on the agent side. Standing alone in a home with unvetted visitors is not something many professionals are comfortable doing anymore. The industry has learned that minimizing unnecessary exposure matters, especially when the upside is so small. So what actually works? Your home is already an open house 24 hours a day online. That starts with properly preparing your home for sale before photography, decluttering, thoughtful staging, making sure the first impression is a knockout, then professional photography, strategic pricing, broad digital exposure, and private qualified showings for serious buyers. That's how homes sell. My approach focuses on attracting qualified buyers, not just random traffic. It's okay to skip an open house or to have one. That's up to you. My goal is for you to know the facts so you can make informed decisions. If this helped you rethink open houses, share it with a friend or write your thoughts below. We're about clarity, not hype. Find us at listingsfor1.com.